What's going on, everybody? We're going to do a little side job right here, and the video is going to start off with Hard Hat Harry breaking through our water pipe. First couple swings of the pick. So we're just going to do this back little pad area. We're going to connect it to the sidewalk that's currently there, and it's also going to connect to that step. Small little 1 yard job, nothing major, should be quick and easy. Alright, so we got most of this dirt picked up out of here. Let's head to the neighborhood Ace Hardware and get us something to fix this water pipe that broke. So here we are with Cody fixing this, Hard Hat Harry fixing this water pipe. He installs well pumps for a living, so this is nothing new to him. Gluing pipes together all day long. Well, here we are snapping a chalk line on this existing concrete, that way we can make sure everything's level and squared up. Alright, so we got the first 2x4 in there with 4 stakes. We got the level on top of it, make sure it has a small amount of slope to the outside. And we're just going to be working around the corner until we can get to the sidewalk that's over here. Making sure we put all the slope to the outside. Alright, so Hard Hat here, you got everything staked in place, so it looks like we're ready to roll. So now we're just going to put a little bit of the dirt back in here, make sure we fill it all in and get everything to a finished grade. So we got everything soaked down. There it is, it's ready to go. We're going to be pouring this concrete first thing in the morning.